Hi guys, how are you doing? It's Winfred and thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much subscribers for subscribing. It's yet another video and today I'm taking you around shopping for the tools that we need when we are building. Last time we looked at wheelbarrows, but this time round we are going to be looking at the different tools that you would need when you're building. I mean, if you're working with close with your engineer before they start anything, because in Uganda most of our buildings are done without these complicated equipments or tools. So we normally go local. And in case you're wondering what are some of the local tools that we use when we are building, we are going to be showing you pickaxes, shovels, we are going to be showing you shovels, and we are going to be showing you rakes and different shovels that you can use, hammers, and you'll be seeing the different equipment tools that we use along with the names. Because when you're building, whether it's groundwork or when you're doing the finishing work or upcoming mid work, you need nails. So today we are talking about the different tools and the nails that we need, because these nails come in different gauges. So we are going to be looking at the different gauges of nails that you would ideally need when you're building. So when your engineer asks for 4-inch nails, you know what it looks like. When they ask for 3-inch nails, you know what those are. When they ask for 2-inch nails, you will know what those are. So join me and see the different tools along with the nails that will help us when we are building. All the tools that you need. So join me and let us take a shop around. Now, like I said, there are different tools and he's going to be explaining which tool is used when and why. Especially that one as well. We need it in the picture. I hope you can get it in the corner. Now in Uganda, guys, these tools come, but when you're buying, you need to buy these wooden bits, the extensions by themselves. You buy the hoe as a hoe like this, and then you have to buy the handle as well on its own. So he's going to explain what we use for what and why they are different.
Yes. Here we're having a hoe without a handle, and here we're having a hoe with a handle.
So which one is more expensive and why?
The price is the same because all the things are here of different prices.
But I think
the hoe, as it is for 10,000.
Yeah, but once it's got this one,
yes,
the handle, isn't the price different?
The price increases.
That's what I wanted to explain.
Then the other one we're having here is the pickaxe. Pickaxe.
Do they come in different sizes?
Pickaxe, they come in different sizes, but the purpose even changes. Yes, because this one where it works, the smaller size can't work there.
These ones, guys, are best used when you're digging ponds or wells. This bit,
like you're digging the foundation.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you're wondering when to use them, check out my video when we're doing the groundwork of the perimeter wall. You see that we were using pickaxes and the hoes.
And the other thing that we are having is the forked hoe. This one, they always use it to dig in stony areas with a lot of stone, sorts of that. It is also like a hoe, but this one, they always use it to work in stony areas. Then the other thing we are having, it is a spade. There are two types of spades, and the one I'm holding right now, it is the flat spade. We call it flat. And these spades, they are still different. We have metallic. The handle is metallic. Why we call it metallic is because the handle is metallic. We have metallic and non-metallic, and in different shapes. This one we are having right now, it is flat. But again, we have another one, metallic, which is hard, but we don't have it right now. It is like this, but the shape is this one.
So when do they use the flat one and when do they use the hard one?
To use the flat one, well, so this is the This is the hard one.
Metallic hard. Yes.
And this one is flat.
So when do you use the hard one and when do you use the flat?
They always use this one where there is a lot of stones. Because for it takes flatly like this. Then this one they always use it in sand, soft sands.
Okay, soft soil.
Yes.
Okay.
Because when you use it in the stony areas, it can fold like this.
Okay, now is the metallic spade stronger than the wooden one, or is it the wooden one that is stronger?
This one is stronger than this one.
Okay.
So this one, the way it is right now, we call it a spade head. It's a spade, but it's a spade head because it doesn't have a handle like this one. So for it, you buy it the way it is, and again you buy a handle of it.
There, guys, you have it. Handle and the spade itself comes separate. So you just buy. So if your builders ask for spades and they ask for money for this one in Luganda, we call it mwiko. Yeah. Mwiko.
Or muyini.
Muyini.
Or muyini. Call it
now,
muyini.
You have to buy this separate and this separate. So if you buy them when they already binded, the price changes.
Exactly.
So if they ask for spades and the price seems a little high, it's because it's already binded.
The other thing that we use in construction, we have this one. We call it a trowel. A trowel. It also comes in different sizes, and the sizes we always measure it in inches. We have 5 inch, 6 inch, 7 inch, 8 inch, and 9 inches. So the one I'm holding here right now is the 9 inch, as it is. Then the other thing that we do have, it's the claw hammer. The claw hammer, there are two types of hammers I'm having here right now.
That's why I got that one, yeah.
This one we call it hitting hammer.
When do you use a hitting hammer?
We always use this one, like when you're hitting something, like you're having kizo, a kizo. You're hitting on a kizo, like you're removing some kind of plastic over what. You're making holes in some walls. This is the one we use. And again, this one we use it like you are plucking the nails in some places, like wooden stuffs or what, and we can use it again to hit nails into something like wood, walls. This one. That's why we call it a claw hammer.
Okay, now I also saw that you have that thing. What does it do? The one.
This one, we call it a bosso. A bosso, it is used. It should be having this one. We call it a bosso blade. It is used to cut like timbers. Actually, wooden stuffs. It is used to cut wooden stuffs. It is also used in construction. It comes in different types, but it's a bosso. For you, it's used to cut wood.
Okay.
We talked about the bosso. The one I'm having here, we call it axle blade. This is the blade. This is the blade, and this is a flame. They all come separately. You buy this one at a different price, and the flame you buy it another place.
It's used to cut what?
It is used to cut metals, things that deal in metals.
And then this like one is used to cut what?
This one is used to cut wood.
Okay.
Then this one, metals.
Okay.
Another thing we're having, it's a panga. Panga, they come in different types. We have a curved and a pointed. So the one I'm having right here, it is a curved. It's a pointed.
Now, pangas, guys, are good when you're cutting. It's like you're getting on ground and it's a virgin ground. You need to cut down some trees.
Exactly.
The pangas would come in handy.
And then the other thing we do have is the slasher. This one is also used at the site when your site is new. You need to
cut down
some grass. You can use this slasher.
Okay.
And then the other thing we have, it is the gumboots.
For the workers.
Yes. The gumboots, when we go in terms of safety first, they are very important when you're starting up the site, because you can start up the site when the site gets some sharp stuff, sort of that. The gloves, the gumboots, you need to be having this.
All that, gloves, guys, is protective gear to the workers.
Oh, these ones are in the safety sector. You have to secure your body first with these ones. And then the other thing, it is the helmet. Yes. You need to be having a helmet when you're starting up your workers. You need to give them helmets when you're starting up your site for them to be safe.
Thank you so much for the take around, guys. There you have it. In case you're starting off to build and you don't know what tools to use or what you require, those are the different tools that you would need. And in case your engineer, site engineer asks for them, do not hesitate to get them for them, because trust me, they need all of those, especially if you're breaking out for the very first time and you're building. Until next time, when we do yet another one, keep it right here. Bye-bye, guys, and take care.